Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive the notification for our upcoming videos. Today in this video we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy A8s, which will be announced by Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China on December 10. Let's have a look. South Korean giant Samsung is working on another A-series smartphone, the Galaxy A8s. A recent post on Weibo, a Chinese microblogging website, claims that Samsung is gearing up to unveil the Galaxy A8s on December 10, 2018. According to the previous leaks and rumors, it is going to be the first smartphone to feature an Infinity O display. We have seen leaks and rumors of the upcoming Samsung Galaxy A8s smartphone till date. While a previous post on Weibo teased the front of the smartphone, the more recent post shows off the glass back with the triple camera setup and a ring LED flash that is stuck around the middle camera module. The Samsung Galaxy A8s will officially debut on December 10th and will be officially certified by the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of SMG A870 model. Therefore, the real machine map of the Galaxy A8s is finally available. Although the photo screen of the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology of China does not light up. You can see the small round hole with Infinity O on the top left of the screen, which provides a better full screen effect for the users. As for the back of the machine, the 3-mirror straight line design is adopted. According to online rumors, a 3-mirror are a 24-megapixel main lens, a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 5-megapixel depth finder lens. The Galaxy A7 is equipped with a super wide angle design to bring users another shooting experience. In addition, the fingerprint sensor of the Galaxy A8s is still located on the back of the machine, which is convenient for users to unlock. Pinhole, black hole, polka dot, pimple mole, the wide variety of names for the Infinity O display, which stretches beyond what would be appreciated to right here express the wide variety of opinion on it. In all likelihood, that's why Samsung decided to debut the feature on a mid-range device to test the waters. Rather unfortunately, however, the focus on the whole has detracted from what's otherwise a pretty solid device. Based on official renders Samsung sent into China's version of the FCC and TENA, the Galaxy A8s will feature 3 rear cameras according to various sources. They'll be 24 megapixel, 10 megapixel, and 5 megapixel, one of which being either wide angle or telephoto. The selfies camera quality is reportedly unaffected by its situation and will be solid performance at 24 megapixel. A pretty standard battery is included, either 3300 mAh or 3400 mAh depending on who you ask. It is also expected that the right side of the Galaxy A8s is the volume button and the power button, while the left side is the SIM card slot and the Bixby button, which is simple and practical. In addition, the Galaxy A8s will also use Snapdragon 710 processor, 6GB RAM and 3300 mAh specification. The overall performance is good and expected to land at about $450. Something to look forward to, the Samsung Galaxy A8s will debut in China tomorrow, but almost everything about the phone has already been revealed, largely by Samsung own doing. Choosing an IPS display over one of the Samsung's own brilliant OLEDs would be disappointing, if not for that intriguing camera cutout. But overall, Samsung Galaxy A8s within $450 is not a big deal, I think, and it's a mid-range device. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is what we know till now regarding Samsung Galaxy A8s. Please tell us in the comments below how you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the future video updates. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.